The United States and Namibian governments have been cooperating in wildlife conservation, and in August this year, the U.S. government provided more than $7 million to assist Namibian authorities in their anti-poaching efforts. The U.S. delegation, led by Director of Fish and Wildlife Service, has been in the country to study the Namibian conservation efforts, where they visited the Etosha National Park and met with environmental and conservation organizations and other stakeholders. Daniel Ash says Namibia is building ethics in wildlife conservation, which must be emulated.
The United States is a big consuming country, and so we certainly see ourselves as a big part of the problem in terms of wildlife trafficking, and we need to be a part of a solution. So it's been an exceptional visit here, and we've learned very much, and that will help us in the United States to improve our efforts and hopefully improve our partnership with Namibia.
With regard to the trade in ivory, Environment and Tourism Minister Pohamba Shifeta says once the moratorium is lifted, domestic trade of ivory will be allowed in the country, but with stringent measures to ensure that communities benefit.
Our product will be branded. We will have everything that we can, and we work with communities. The communities, they know how to do that. They will then do this and then sell to the souvenir shops there. And because this is how community can benefit. The elephants are dying so naturally and have this task, we cannot throw them away. So we have to introduce some kind of methods.
But Ash was very cautious on this issue.
And so certainly at CITES we disagreed on the issue of trade today. But I think there's much more that we have in common and that we agree on, and that we agree that we need to work together as we look into the future, and that we'll work together to tackle the poaching crisis. And if we can tackle the poaching crisis, then we can, I think, have a better conversation in the future about the possibility of opening up ivory and rhino horn markets.
Also present at the meeting was the U.S. Ambassador to Namibia, Thomas Doughton. Tonateni Shidudu, NBC News, Windhoek.